In this video, I'm going to explain how you can import your users into TutorCruncher using our new import functionality. If you want to import your users, and in this case we're going to import some of my clients, you need a Google Sheets or a CSV file with their information. So I've already created a file right here, and the users that I want to import are Karel, Steve, and Jimmy. So these are the 5 variables I chose: first name, last name, email, address information, and their phone number. So I save this file as a CSV or an Excel file. Now I go to TutorCruncher, System, Import, click Import Users. We get the option to upload tutors, clients, and students, but we want to upload our clients. And now you can drag your CSV file or your Excel file into this field over here. You can also just click it. So this is the file I just showed you. So Karel, Steve, and Jimmy with their information, and we see that there is one column that that TutorCruncher doesn't recognize. So in that is address information. So then we click here, and we want to use street. That's something that TutorCruncher does recognize. So everything looks good and it's ready for import. Now we click import 3 clients. Also, you can, if you want to upload a client as a prospect client, you can change the status here, but yeah, we want to upload it as a live client because it's one of my active clients. Then I click import, and I get the option to send them an email, and then this is a welcome email that they will receive, and then they can like set their password and create an account and that kind of stuff. But if you don't want to send them an email, you can simply click upload without an email. So once the import has been completed, this red message that just showed up here will disappear, and a little pop-up comes up here saying that the import has been completed. So if we now go back to TutorCruncher, go to people, clients, we see that we have 3 new clients here: Karel, Steve, and Jimmy. And as we just chose to not send them a welcome email yet, we can simply go to the profile and click resend welcome email. And an email is now sent to them with a link to set their password, and then they can enter the rest of their information or change if information is not correct, etc. And that's how TutorCruncher's new import functionality works.